A very good morning, everybody. Today's session is dedicated to Smitesh, one of my very favorite colleague from the previous institute that I worked for, a person who returned from Belfast and has immense knowledge about whiskies, and the entire compilation is his baby. I am just putting it forward. So, Smitesh, thank you so much for helping me put together this knowledge with regards to whiskey. Buddy, this is all yours. Cheers. See you soon. So, to all the whiskey lovers, this is a general knowledge specially for you, crafted by Smitesh. So, let's see how much do you know about your poison and how much do you really believe that what you drink is a single malt. Okay, here's the first one. The world's best selling single malt whiskey. Tell me the name quickly. Like 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is Glenfiddich. Well done. Okay, question number 2. Tell me the world's best selling scotch. Like 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is Johnnie Walker Red Label. You are absolutely right. Now, the best selling whiskey in Scotland. The best selling whiskey in Scotland. Yes, it is right. The famous Grouse. Excellent. Now, the best selling single malt in Scotland. The best selling single malt in Scotland. You're right, it is Glenmorangie. Very good. Okay, give me the name of the world's fastest growing scotch. And India being the largest contributor in it. Quickly, what's the name? Correct, it is Black Dog. Well done. Okay, quickly give me the name of 5 single malts which are globally renowned. Quickly, count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Correct. You are absolutely right. Glenfiddich, the Glenlivet, Glenmorangie Original, Aberlour, Laphroaig. Excellent. Well done. Now name the 3 oldest scotch that are being sold in the market. Like 3, 2, 1. Correct, you're absolutely right. It is Glenturant, Auburn, and Glenlivet. Well done. Good job. Did you know that you could buy a piece of land, a little ownership in the distillery when you purchase this whiskey? Do you know which whiskey I'm talking about? Guess. So next time you will buy this one, so you have a little piece in Scotland when you go as a property, alright? So this is none other than Laphroaig. This bottle, each bottle of Laphroaig that you buy, you are entitled to a lifetime lease of 1 square foot of the distillery's land, along with a personalized certification of ownership. So imagine what the bottle is going to cost you now. It is a beautiful investment, huh? Now the next one, okay? The next one quickly. There is this store in Canongate where you can buy the whiskey from the cask, and that is the time when the whiskey is born. So which store am I talking about? Do you know this store that sells whiskey from the cask to the bottles and then labels it as born today? Yes, you're absolutely right. It is Cadenhead's Whiskey Shop. Now, quickly, the name of the smallest distillery in Scotland. Which one am I talking about? Correct. That's the one. Edredor it is, the smallest distillery in Scotland. And you know what? The entire operation is run just by 3 people. Can you imagine this? A distillery being run only by 3 people. So you can imagine how small the distillery is going to be. Okay, now for the next one. Which is the smallest distillery in the Highland, and it is termed as the 16 men on train. Which distillery am I talking about in Scotland, in Highland especially? You're right. Glenmorangie it is, the smallest distillery in the Highland. Now a quick fact. The most expensive scotch is sold in UK. Can you believe that? It is not even bottled there. But the most expensive scotch is from UK. UK is a home country for 5 major blends of whiskey. Which are the ones I'm talking about? And trust me, Johnnie Walker is not part of it. It does not belong there. So which are the 5 blends that I'm talking about? Correct. The Famous Grouse, the Grant, the Bells, the Teachers, and the J&B. Okay. So here's a very interesting fact. Now, a closed bottle of whiskey can live up to 100 years in the bottle and still be good for consumption. But if the bottle is opened, you can keep it only for 5 years and consume it. After that, it loses its character, its body, and its entire personality. So that is what a closed bottle is and an open bottle is. But imagine, even 5 years is like a good time. Who waits for 5 years to finish a bottle of good whiskey? I'm sure nobody does. Now here's a very interesting fact. Now, who would want to lose good whiskey down the drain? But yes, it did happen. It happened in one of the Chivas distilleries. Here, that's a picture, where accidentally around 18,000 liters of very good Chivas whiskey was accidentally drained down due to some I think human error. Could only be a human error. What else? And this was worth 80 lakh dollars. 800. Now here's a little fact about whiskey. Now, most of the connoisseurs in whiskey add a little dash of water in their glass, and the reason is it says that it releases the serpent in the whiskey for them to enjoy this beautiful drink that is being made. So that's the way it is. Now, I'm sure we all know about the angel share, and the angel share is nothing but the evaporation of the whiskey in the atmosphere. And this is a share that the angels take away when a good whiskey is made. But do you know that there is a devil's cut as well? So what is this devil's cut? The devil's cut is the whiskey absorbed by the barrels. So when the wood is drinking this whiskey over the period of maturation, that is the devil's cut. So what goes up in the air is the angel's share. What is absorbed by the barrel is the devil's cut. Did you know this? I didn't, but I like this information. What you see now is the oldest distillery in Scotland. Yes, the Bowmore, which was in 1779, and the second one is Glentoran, which is 1775. Now this is really sad, okay? That Indian whiskey is technically rum with huge sugar in it, and I hope they stop doing this, especially now that Amrut distilleries have come with their very good whiskey. So that was all about whiskey and the general knowledge behind it, and I thank Smitesh for the contribution. There were a lot of lovely facts that were disclosed, and I hope the students who have seen this video could answer more or less the questions that were asked. It is very interesting. I loved it, and I hope you'll love it too. Until my next video, stay safe. Goodbye for now. Have fun.